We saw all of these gusty winds because of this upper level low sitting right on top of us. That started to move east, helping those winds calm down. So this is why when we talk about high pressure, we're talking so much about that sunshine, typically above average temperature. Damaging winds is going to be the main impact with these storms overnight, but we could see a little bit of hail, and then there is a slight flooding concern. We had a pretty windy day across West Texas. Was not optimal for picnicking weather. We're dealing with relative humidity values getting into the teens, wind gusts up to 50 or even 60 miles an hour between now and midnight. We'll start to see some rain showers popping off at that point ahead of that dry line. Just going to be watching that cloud cover building throughout the day on Saturday until a surface high moves in Sunday morning. There is a small warning for portions of eastern Scurry County. That's in effect until 10:30. Hello, thanks for sticking with us. Now, mainly everybody's in the 80s at this point, but we do have a couple locations farther west still holding on to temperatures in the lower 90s. Midland right now holding on to 91. That's the warmest spot in West Texas. Right behind them is Ozona at 90 even, down to 89 here in San Angelo, 85 up in Abilene and Eastland, taking the cool spot right now at 81 degrees. Overnight, looking to maintain clear to mostly clear skies as temperatures dip in the low to mid 70s, looking to get down to around 72 here in San Angelo. Might feel slightly humid outside, winds coming from the southeast at 10 to 15 miles an hour. That's bringing that air off the Gulf of Mexico, which is why we're going to feel a little bit more moisture in the air. But temperatures looking to rebound to the mid to upper 90s tomorrow, peaking around 98 in San Angelo and 95 in Abilene. Colorado City as well as Comanche to our east, looking to get up to the triple digits, hitting 100 even. As we get into the weekend, looking to see more days of this triple digit temperatures across the board. San Angelo finally hitting that 100-degree mark on Saturday. By Sunday, across the area, temperatures ranging from 100 to 105. We're looking to get right in the middle at 102. By Monday, looking to get up to 105, possibly even higher depending on your location. Almost 10 degrees above average for this time of year, that average high in the mid 90s. We're going to keep up that trend going into next week too, and that's thanks to the fact that we have this upper level high right now just to our west, but that's going to push a little bit further east, extending over portions of West Texas. By Saturday, that's when we'll start to see that trend kick off, and as we head into Monday to kick off next week, extending further east for more of Central and South Texas included in that. So we're going to see those warmer trends going into next week as well, leaving you all with some tips as we get ready to get into yet another heat wave for the summer. Stay indoors and limit your exposure to the sun. Wear cool, loose fitting and lightweight clothing. Drink plenty of water. Make sure to try to avoid caffeine and alcohol because those are things that dehydrate you. Remember to take frequent breaks. Go to an air-conditioned place when you can, and do not under any circumstances leave anyone alone in a car unattended. Now, over the next several days, maintaining this trend, we're going to stay mainly dry as well in the Concho Valley. Temperatures looking to peak around midweek between 105 and 106. Up in the Big Country, we'll see some isolated sprinkles over the next couple of days, but for the most part, staying dry with those temperatures starting to get into the triple digits by the end of the weekend and into the start of next week. Likely going to see some heat advisories or some types of heat alerts over the coming days, so make sure you're staying with us for the latest updates.